Yeah, we did. So we just got it. So did you make a pass a while ago?
All the way to our car. Over at auto.
Nick Guitarmageddonzl1. All right, here with the famous Lethal Camaro. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Cool guy. Lethal Garage ran a 10.3 at 133.8. Damn! Alright, from Camaro Fest, I'm wrapping it up. It is like way hot out here, but man, it was a great time. I got to meet Guitarmageddonzl1 and Lethal Camaro. Man, it was great. I accomplished what I wanted to get done. Met some people from my area. That was cool. Got lots of great shots of some autocross, drag racing, and the car show. So I have to see if I have to make this into 3 parts instead of this just being part 2, because I don't want to really cut too much out. But anyhow, great time. It is hot, and I'm going back to the hotel, showering, and getting on the road, go back home, see my lovely wife. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Put a lot of time and money into the travel to get here and putting this together, so hopefully you like it. You'll subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. So don't forget, like, shares, comments, always appreciated, and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.